I would like to share few bits on Cygwin. Cygwin is a Linux application interface that runs on Windows operating system. Means you can run Linux operating system along with the Windows operating system without partitioning the memory space. So Cygwin is known as a portable operating system for Unix. A Cygwin is a free and open source application that provides Linux-like environment to run our Linux commands as well as shell programs on Windows operating system. It was originally developed by Cygnus Solutions and later on it was acquired by Red Hat. The application name itself indicates the use. That is, Cygnus stands for Cygnus, SYG. CYG stands for Cygnus and Win stands for Windows operating system. That is Cygnus on Windows operating system. It was released on 1995 and its latest release is done on 19 February 2020. The latest version is 3.1.4. It works both on 32-bit and 64-bit processors. It takes a very less memory space, that is less than 1 MB. With very few steps you can install the application. It is very easy. It runs on it works on all the Windows platforms except Millennium 95, 98 versions. To install this application, you need to visit the shown website, that is cygwin.com. With very few steps, easily you can install Cygwin. So all try this application to run Linux commands and shell programs.